Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a laptop battery. Now every laptop is made a little bit differently, but as far as batteries go, they're usually all the same. I'm going to show you the bottom of mine here. Your battery, in this case, which is right here on the very bottom of my laptop, is usually going to be the element that has this little spring-loaded lever, like this one right here. Now, as I pull this lever, it actually pops the battery out. And I can grab the battery and I can just remove it completely from the bottom of that laptop. And then I'll grab my new battery and I'll take this thing and I will just line it up here to where the prongs here, these little receptacles for the electrical connections, will line up with the electrical connections inside of the laptop. So I will just line those up as squarely as I can. I'm going to push down. You have to apply a little bit of pressure for a battery because this spring-loaded lever has to pop back into place. So just push down a little bit, not super hard, but you'll hear it pop, and this little lever will probably move as the spring moves and pop back into place. You've now put a new battery into your laptop. I'm Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to replace laptop batteries.